After we poured that, we're going to pew. What is this, Star Wars? What's up guys, my name is Kat and I am the Liquor Fairy. This is the 8th video in our 12 Days of Holiday Cocktail series. And in this video, we're going to be making a Grinch shot. For this shot, we're going to use 2 ingredients. 360 double chocolate and Hiram Walker creme de monde. To start it off, we're going to pour 1 ounce of the 360 double chocolate into our shaker. Then after that's poured, we can go ahead and pour 0.5 ounces of the creme de monde. Once those are added together, we can go ahead and cap our shaker. And then you can just mix them up. Then after those are shaken, you can now pour it into your shot glass. And there you have it, a simple and festive shot you can make for this holiday season. If you want to try this recipe or any of the others from the 12 Days of Holiday Cocktail series, go ahead and like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the videos to come. Now chug. I'm scared to shoot it. I don't want to shoot it because I'm wearing a white sweater and this is a green shot, but it tastes like mint chocolate chip ice cream. That's dang good. That is so good. That is so weird. What the heck? Festivity is juicy. Right. I need to learn how to talk. Yeah.